Welcome back to Subaru. Today we'll be switching out our headlights for new ones. There's nothing wrong with these ones, I just want new ones. Let's get started. To install new headlights, first we need to jack up the car. I know, you're probably thinking, do you really need to jack up the car to install headlights? Yep. Once the car is jacked up, we'll need to grab our trim removal tool. So you'll see, need to remove these from the bumper. Jeez. Ah! Jeez. All right, let's do the other side. Once the hood is open, we can remove the 6 clips on the top of the front bumper. So now the bumper is just held on by a screw on each side. Let's go remove those. Well, sometimes you have a screw. Let's see if we have one on this side. There's no screw on this side either. I guess my bumper's held on by clips. Alright, with the front bumper off, now we have access to the headlights. Hey look, an air filter. Each headlight assembly is secured to the car by 5 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5th one right on the side. So let's go ahead and remove those. What? After those 5 are out, we have 2 on top, and then the headlight assembly should come out. With the headlight out, we'll want to disconnect the plug. Lord. Easy. All right, let's start removing the driver's side headlight. Looks like it's missing some hardware. Just makes it easier to uninstall. With the old headlights, you'll have to take out this kind of assembly part of it. We'll have to use this for the new headlights. Yep. Let's plug it in first. Tighten it all down. The headlights are in, so let's put the front bumper back on. We'll put our 6 clips back in the top. Alright, let's jack the car back up and put the remaining clips under the bumper. Front bumper is clipped into place. We can let the car back down. After installing these headlights, your turn signals will now hyperflash. I mean, if you want to keep it that way, it's a look. People will know you're turning. In order to fix this, we're going to have to put in a flasher relay. The flasher relay goes under the steering column, so we're going to have to take this dash piece out. Want to undo that bolt. That holds the blinker relay. Before we put the dash back together, let's see if this works. Great. All right, we're going to line the dash back up and then put those 3 screws back in and we should be good to go. Done. And that's how you install headlights. If you found this video useful, give it a like and subscribe for more Subaru content. I'll see you in the next install. Bye.